Hello friends, my name is Anil and you are watching Anil Tech Atta YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to share some important trick. Suppose that I am working in a company as a HR manager, a sales manager. I want to sell bulk mail at once. So what we need to do, because if we try to paste all the single mails, so this will take too much time to send the mails. So here is some simple formula that will help you to do this thing in a single click, and it will very useful to send mail at once. So simply click on a cell, type equal, then type text, text join, then delimiters like this, and then true, and click a first mail. So this will select the first cell. Now I will select the all mails which have the last cell. So here is the 500 mails in this Excel sheet. So I will press Ctrl Shift down arrow. So this will select the all mails. As you can see, if 500. Now again close this and hit enter. So this will convert this cell in a single cell, and all mails will be separated by comma. So this is very simple and easy. Now click here, copy this and open your mailbox. Now in your mailbox, click on the two and here, and again type the subject. So type here your matter and send, and here is the attachment. So this will send all multiple mails at once. You can do in Hotmail, Gmail and Yahoo, and as well your private mail servers. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you.